Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share to you about the tutorial Sketchup software, how to make room divider with TV cabinet. In this step you have to make a basic shape. For the first, you can use a rectangle. And you can set the height around 2700 millimeter. Then you have to push it to the front, or you have to make a thickness of this column around maybe 60 millimeter, right? Then you can make it group and just make it component and just create it. And then you can press move and just select this corner of component and select and just type a control on your keyboard, and then you can set the 2850, and then just click the end of position, and then you have to type maybe it's around 12 and slash, just press enter. Okay, maybe something like this. And you can make base plate and upper plate anyway with a rectangle. Also you can set the thickness, just make it group anyway, and then you can move it to the upper position, to the top position. You have to move it to the top position with the move and press control, and then you can adjust the material. You can use a synthetic surface material of a lot of component, and you can adjust it, and then you can select rectangle to make TV cabinet anyway. So you can select the approximately something like this, as wide as this. Okay, and then you have to select a scale to adjust size of this rectangle, and then you can push it to the front, so you can push it to the back more, something like this. And you have to make it group and just make material, same material. Okay, and then you can make all of this column to one unit by right click, select all of this stick and make unique. Then you can adjust the area to delete it anyway. Okay, then so you have to push it back until it's clear. Okay, and then so you can see the result. Then you can offset it inside anyway. You can offset it inside, and then you can just set the depth of this wall cabinet, TV cabinet, sorry. Okay, I think it's enough. Maybe if you wanna add some element, you can use this. You can use rectangle, and then you have to push it until touch the left or right side of the column, and just make it component, just create it, or move it to the left or side as you want, wherever you want, as beautiful as possible anyway. Something like this. You can move it to the right side more, then you can duplicate it to the bottom of the position and just press control to move to the bottom. Then you can move again on the right side and just move it to the upper position and move it upper position again, and so you can see the result of this modeling. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of advantage and benefit to all of you to make easier of your works and improve your skill, and wait for my next video. Thank you.